was sitting there.
Okay, I have no time for this, okay? Alam mo, I'm in a lose-lose situation.
I don't have time. I don't have time for you.
Because as you said, positive personality.
No, we were sitting there and you were standing in front of me.
Why don't you talk to Danny?
I was asking.
Why don't you talk to Danny?
And I told you kids to shut up.
Hey, you don't lay off my kids. Lay off my kids. Lay off my kids. May 16. Lay off my kids. Lay off my kids. Lay off my kids. Lay off my kids.
I'm not touching you.
Yan na naman. Yan na naman.
Why are you abusing me? What's the problem, dude?
Tama na, anak.
Fuck off. Fuck off.
Tama na.
He said, shut up to my sister, dude. You said, fuck
No,
up.
no, 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 no. Tama na.
I said, what the fuck, not fuck you.
Tama na.
What the fuck, not you. You said, shut up to my sister.
You know,
What the hell is your problem?
it's not.
You said, kid. You said, kid. Get the fuck out of here, dude.
Okay. There's no need.
Shut up to my sister.
There's
It's my
no
family.
need. There's no need. Tama na. No, no, no. Don't do that to
Don't
my...
test my patience.
Don't do that to my...
Test my patience.
Yan na naman tayo. Lahat na naman yan. Naka-YouTube si Doris Bigonia. Alam mo yun eh. Alam mo yun. You purposely did that because I'm Doris Bigonia. What the hell?
That's a waste of time.
Tapos YouTube niyo ako. Ano yun? You're so unfair. You knew that? Bakit ka magdala dito? Tama na. Tama na.
Kawawa yung anak niya.
Kawawa yung anak niya. Next time, watch Alea Salonga concert.
Dude, come on.
No, next time, watch Alea Salonga concert. Or better yet, Blackjack. What? Sino? Hindi nakapito. Sino sa pika?